Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Alloy to World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to replace Microsoft Excel file. So go to the indications of Microsoft Excel file. So here we will go to the replace. So what? So find and select. So in behind this thing, this is the replace. So how we will do the CNN1. So find what, that means what you want to replace here. This word I will do the first of all, that thing has been capital. I will do the smaller CNN. See, so replace all, cannot be find a match, find all, as because the thing has been selected or doing things again. Replace all, could not find anything. Replace one, then replace, not working. Why? First of all, find this thing, find all. See, now replace. When you replace, replace, hopefully the thing has been find next. See, we will do the replace. See, and we'll do the replace all. See, all done, all done. We made 3 replacement. Again we will do 2, replace all. See, we done. See, this thing has been here. So in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.